students, I'm going to give you a quick overview of how to use your Canvas page to access all the course content. So by now, hopefully you have logged into Canvas and have selected your Engineering 100 class, and when you do that, you should come to this home page here, which shows you the Welcome to Engineering 100 text here, below which you will see this image of a collection of famous women engineers. So begin by scrolling through because it starts out with a letter that I have written to you to introduce you to this class. So please go ahead and do that. It also lists some of the priority items for you to get off to a quick start in the course. For example, getting familiar with the Canvas course site, getting to know me a little bit through a video that I have put up, what this course is about, and very importantly what you will need for this class in terms of software, hardware, and also some everyday materials that you find at home that we will be using for the various experiments that we will do. And then please go through this because you need to create a video so that you can get to know each other, then how you will be graded, and so on and so forth. Now after this, the most important thing to know is that anytime you are trying to find something, all you need to do is to click on the modules link here on the left side. So I'm going to click on the modules, and the modules is where everything in terms of the content and the time is laid out. For example, week 0 is the course welcome and course overview week. So this is basically starting June 11th when the summer session starts. So I would like you all to go through this starting with the welcome letter. And there are some activities here to get you started, including a video assignment to introduce yourself, a course introduction survey, a quiz. These are not graded activities, but these are meant to get you comfortable with using Canvas. Okay, so just like that, for example, you'll find week 1 all the content laid out here in terms of the lesson plans, and also what are the graded activities we are going to do. For example, the quiz, homework, a discussion, a group discussion, and so on and so forth. So with that, I'm going to end with just saying that whenever you need help, you can go to Unit A. This lays out a number of different help options here, including how to navigate the class, how to succeed with online learning, to make sure your computer is ready, how to use Canvas, how to use Zoom, which we'll be using for our everyday meetings, and so on and so forth. And I'll end with one comment. Make sure that you look up this link here, which tells you what text, what software and hardware needs you will need for this class. So for example, you can get hold of the 4th edition of the textbook by Landis called Roadmap to a Rewarding Career. You'll go through this list, you'll see what kind of network you need to be able to access the internet, of course, and also I'll give you options to download some free software that we will be using in this class. The most important of them is Octave, so please get started with that. And then finally, a few stationery items and additional items that we will need for performing experiments. So with that, I'm going to end, and I'm going to click back to the home page. Thank you very much.